The 2026 Tesla camper van represents a bold step into the future of electric adventure travel, combining Tesla's cutting-edge EV technology with the growing demand for compact, self-sufficient mobile living. Built on an advanced electric platform, this camper van promises long range, smart energy management, and a sleek, futuristic design that stands out from traditional boxy motorhomes. From the outside, it looks more like a high-tech transport pod than a typical camper, with smooth curves, flush door handles, and a panoramic glass roof that gives it a premium, space-age vibe. Under the floor, the large battery pack provides an estimated range that competes strongly within the electric RV segment, making weekend getaways and even longer road trips more practical than ever before. Fast charging capability allows drivers to regain a substantial amount of range during short charging stops, while solar roof integration helps power onboard systems when parked. Tesla's energy management software intelligently balances driving range and living needs, ensuring that appliances, lighting, and climate control don't unexpectedly drain the battery. Inside, the layout focuses on minimalism and flexibility. Clean lines, hidden storage compartments, and multifunctional furniture create a spacious feel despite the van's compact footprint. The main seating area quickly converts into a comfortable bed, while modular cabinets can be reconfigured depending on whether the trip is focused on work, relaxation, or outdoor adventure. Soft ambient lighting and large windows make the interior feel open and modern rather than cramped. The kitchen setup is compact but smartly designed, featuring an induction cooktop, a small but efficient refrigerator, and a fold-out prep surface. Water usage is optimized through a smart tank monitoring system that tracks consumption in real time via the central touchscreen. There's also a compact wet bath with a shower and cassette-style toilet, making the van fully self-contained for off-grid camping. Technology is where this camper truly shines. A large central touchscreen controls nearly everything, from navigation and entertainment to lighting, temperature, and power usage. Tesla's advanced driver assistance features, including enhanced autopilot capabilities, reduce fatigue on long drives and make highway cruising smoother and safer. Over-the-air updates continuously improve both vehicle performance and interior systems, meaning the camper can actually get better over time. Comfort has not been overlooked either. The electric climate control system works quietly and efficiently, keeping the interior cool in summer and warm in winter without the noise of a traditional generator. High-quality insulation helps maintain temperature while also reducing outside noise, which is especially valuable when camping in busy areas. Premium materials on seats and surfaces give the van a luxury feel that matches Tesla's passenger vehicles. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated throughout the cabin and exterior. There are under-seat compartments, overhead bins, and a rear-gear garage designed to hold bikes, camping equipment, or outdoor tools. Despite its streamlined design, the van offers enough cargo capacity to support extended trips, making it suitable for digital nomads, couples, or solo travelers who want both mobility and comfort. Overall, the 2026 Tesla camper van blends sustainability, technology, and practical living in a way that feels like a glimpse into the future of travel. It may come at a premium price, but it delivers a unique combination of zero-emission driving, smart home-style features, and modern design that few competitors can match. For those ready to embrace electric van life without sacrificing comfort or innovation, it sets a new benchmark in the camper van world.